Howdy folks, and welcome back to Country Fried Shorts. We're back in today with yesterday's now baseless models, ready to slap them down on the freshly primed bases to match them with the previous set of these first Crucis Lancers. Seeing as our new bases are pre-textured, they don't have nice flat spaces for the models to sit on firmly like those flat bases did. To address this, it's time to get out my Dremel 7300 cordless rotary tool and start grinding away at the bases until there's some nice smooth spots for the models to set their footsies. Without specified cleared ground for the feet to rest on, the rough texture of these bases will prevent firm adherence to them. In mitigating this, we'll not only have a nice permanent bond, but the Mini's feet will be much more integrated with the setting. Though it's a bit less immersive than sculpted detail wrapping around and form-fitting the foots, it's still enough to create a sense of cohesion. These battle mechs are supposed to be multiple tons after all, and they wouldn't just float on some dry, rocky ridges without crushing them underfoot. We'll go back and forth putting the model on the base to get a sense of the area of detail that needs to be removed, grinding a bit off gently with a coarse sanding drum, spraying some forceful air out of my airbrush, and testing the fit of our lad on the base, juggling all of these steps until it's just right. It'll take a bit of patience to go about it this way, but it's far better than hitting it hard and fast and creating a ton of irreparable damage. Instead, taking it slow and steady and removing small bits of material in smooth and gentle strokes. Once everything is looking correct and the model sits how we want it to, it's a matter of blobbing down some BSI extra thick to create a sizable pad of adhesive gel for a truly permanent bond. To that end, since we're using a coarse grit sanding drum, there's going to be a ton of micro scratches left in the surface, which will contribute to a ton of strength in our bond zone. Once we hit this lad's foots with the BSI Instaset, it should be rock solid with a near unbreakable hold. With these minis rebased, we're ready to move on with the next steps to get them ready for the tabletop. Come on by tomorrow to see more of the process. Hot dog, 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 hot dog.